First for the install, we're going to remove the T30 bolt holding the strap to the frame. To do that, you're going to release the top here and to set it on the latches to release the tension on the strap. When you remove the strap, make sure you keep the twist in it and just bring it down to remove the bolt. We will reuse the factory washers. Then we'll install the new bolt for the strap, which is a 4mm Allen. We supply an Allen wrench with every kit. Then you're going to want to install the left bracket with the ball head facing out. And then we'll tighten down the 4mm Allen. After installing the bracket, we'll then raise the top and put down the prop rod. This will give us access to where we're going to mount the other ball head. So we'll go ahead and we'll take the ball head with the washer on the end, put it through the hole, and we'll screw in the 13mm nuts. We will take a 12mm and a 13mm open-ended wrench and make sure they are tight. Next, we'll go ahead and install the strut. We will put the small end towards the bottom and press on. Now, in order to install the top part of the strut, you'll have to push up on the top. Then we can go ahead and fold up the prop rod. Next, we'll install the thumb knob. That installs on the second stud on the top bracket here of the soft top. Then we'll take our bungee, we'll hook the bungee to the bracket and then around the thumb knob. So that's already one side of our Easy Lift installed. Let's go ahead and finish the install on the other side.